Warm welcome to everyone on my channel Spices and More. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. You must have tried different varieties of Manchurian, isn't it? Let's see in today's video yet another interesting variety of Manchurian made out of yam or suran. This is perfect recipe for those who don't prefer yam or suran just like me. Even I used to not like yam until I discovered this recipe, and now whenever I make yam, I do it this way, and I'm very much sure you all will also love it and relish this yam Manchurian or suran Manchurian. Let's quickly dive into the recipe and see the method, which is not very difficult and can be easily made by anyone. For that, I've taken about 100 gram of yam or suran. I've cleaned the outer part of it and then diced it into pieces. Now you need to put these pieces into the kokum infused or tamarind infused water to remove the itchiness if any, as some yam or suran tend to be itchy. Then boil it into a water or pressure cook it for one whistle until they are soft. And when you pressure cook it, just take care as these yam tend to soften very fast. So next I have discarded that water and I added salt as per taste. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and now we are adding all the dry masalas as this is Indo-Chinese recipe. Next I am adding little turmeric powder just to enhance the taste and flavor. In goes 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Next I will be adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of corn flour. I am not making any batter over here. I will be adding straight to the yam pieces. Next I have added about 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida. Now mix and combine all this properly and coat each and every piece of yam with the corn flour and maida. You can use little water and this will help you to coat this corn flour or maida thoroughly onto the yam pieces. Now as you can see, we have already marinated the yam pieces. Now let's fry them. For that I have heated a pan with enough oil and I will be transferring all the yam pieces one by one. Fry it until you get that golden brown color. You need to fry it thoroughly. And this will not take much time as we have already boiled or pressure cooked this yam. Now as you can see, they have started becoming golden brown in color. Once cooked on one side, fry it on the other side as well. You can eat them just like that as they taste awesome like chips. Now as you can see, they have already turned golden brown in color, and at this point I'll remove it and place it on the tissue paper to drain out excess oil. Now I've taken about 2 tablespoons of oil. I used the same oil in which we fried yam before, and in that I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger along with 1 sliced green chili. Saute this until the raw smell disappears. And in some time you will notice this ginger and garlic will also change its color. Now as you can see, ginger garlic have fried properly. At this point I will be adding some sauces like 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Then I added 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce. In goes 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, and here I use the dark soya sauce as this Manchurian tastes good with dark soya sauce. Avoid using light soya sauce. Next I have added half tablespoon of Szechuan sauce. Since this Szechuan sauce is little spicy, you need to adjust it according to your preferences. Next I am adding 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Give it a mix and now saute this for about 2 to 3 seconds. Keep the flame on high, and I am not adding any salt in this as these sauces are already high in sodium content. Next I added colorful bell peppers or capsicum, like green and red capsicum. Now cook this for a while, but maintain its crispiness or crunchiness. Do not overcook it. In goes slurry of corn flour, that is 1 tablespoon of corn flour I diluted in a water. This will help to give the thickness to the sauce. You will notice the sauce have already started becoming thick. I am making the dry version of this Manchurian. If you want little gravy, you can add more water. Now add generous amount of spring onions. This I have chopped very finely. It gives nice taste and flavor to the Manchurian. Give it a mix. And this spring onion wilt very fast. Now let's add all the fried yam pieces or the suran pieces. Again give it a mix and coat each and every piece of yam. And a very delicious and absolutely tempting yam Manchurian or suran Manchurian is ready to be served. And I'm very much sure you must have loved today's recipe. If so, please hit that like button, share this recipe with your friends and family, and please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed so far. See you in my next interesting videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.